Welcome, this is the RPA Champion, and in today's video, we will take a look at the dashboard and the interface of Blue Prism. This will allow you to get started easily, comfortably, and know the different functionalities that the tool has to offer. So we will walk through the different tabs in Blue Prism, what they are used for, why would you use them, and some tips and tricks from my experience of working with Blue Prism. So let's get started immediately. So after your installation of Blue Prism, you will be presented with this home screen. This is the home screen. It can be customized according to your requirements, but usually the home screen is the least used screen of all. And once you start using Blue Prism, you will know exactly what I mean. Most of the time, you will spend it in the studio. In the studio, this is where the magic happens. This is where you create processes and you create objects. We will get into processes and objects a little bit later, but this is where you basically create your automations. So after the studio, you have the control. The control is your control room or your orchestrator, in other words. This is where you will see your available resources, your available robots, the different executions or the different processes that you have automated, and also the different executions that were executed. Everything is blank on my screen because this is a fresh installation of Blue Prism. I am walking you step by step. We are starting from beginning and we will see how everything works from start together. Also on the control, you have the scheduler, which allows you to schedule your robots for different times. So not only you can trigger them, but you can also create different schedules so that the robots run at different times on different days. After the control room, you have the analytics. So the analytics is just a collection of different tiles or different information present in the Blue Prism database that allows you to see the different information, such as, for example, how many times a robot was out of or not commissioned, or how many exceptions were there, or similar information that might help you manage and maintain your digital workforce better. So by default, you also see your default dashboard. You can also create different dashboards and combine different tiles. Now, next to the dashboard tab, you have the tile tab. And here, as I was telling you, you have the different information that you could access and combine your tiles. We'll see this also in another video. We're just taking a general overview of the platform. So releases, this is where you will be managing your Blue Prism releases. So every time that you package a process ready for release into the new environment, you will see the different releases here. The digital exchange, this is a new link. Now by clicking in this, you are taken next to the digital exchange. We have the system. Now this is where all of the system configuration and the settings of Blue Prism are going to take part. So this is where you will also configure the security, the roles, the user profile. This is where you will configure information regarding the APIs, the different web skills or web services that you're going to be downloading and using. It's also where you're going to be managing your license. So the system has a lot of information. It also has information where you're going to be storing passwords for different processes. So there is a lot in here. Just know that for the different configurations, settings, and properties, you would come to this page if you wanted to change something. Now, in my profile, this is not a page actually, it just allow you to change your password and to sign out. Now, this is the overview of Blue Prism. There is another thing that you should, when clicking on File, another important thing to remember is that importing or exporting releases inside of Blue Prism is done via these two buttons. And this is going to come in handy later on where we're going to be importing different objects or different processes that we are going to get from the Blue Prism Exchange. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you are ready to get started with Blue Prism. And I also hope that you learned about the different capabilities of Blue Prism before diving into it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.